Hey guys, in this part we'll learn properties in C#. Before we start to explain properties, you should have a basic understanding of encapsulation. The meaning of encapsulation is to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from users. To achieve this, you must declare fields or variables as private and provide public get and set methods through properties to access and update the value of a private field. Properties. You learned from the previous chapter that private variables can only be accessed within the same class. However, sometimes we need to access them and it can be done with properties. A property is like combination of a variable and a method, and it has two methods, a get and a set method. So write the example: class person, and create a field private string name, and create a property public string name, and get method and set method. The get method return the name and set method set the value to name. The name property is associated with the name field. It is a good practice to use the same name for both the property and the private field, but with an uppercase first letter. The get method returns the value of the variable name, and the set method assigns a value to the name variable. The value keyword represents the value we assign to the property. Now, we can use the name property to access and update the private field of the person class. So now I create a person object, person equal to new person, and person dot name equal to Liam, and console dot write line person dot name, and control F5. Liam is here. Automatic properties. C# also provides a way to use shorthand or automatic properties, where you don't have to define the field for the property, and you only have to write get and set inside the property. In this example, we will produce the same result as last example. The only difference is that there is less code. So now I remove the property and public string name, create a new property with a get and set method, and remove the semicolon and control F5. The result, we have the same result. And why encapsulation? For better control of the class members and reduce the possibility of yourself or others to mess up the code. And for fields can be made read-only if you only use the get method. For example, I remove the set and we have an error in set the value, and or write only if you only use the same method, set method. For example, we have only set method and we have an error in here in get the value. And for flexible, the programmer can change one part of the code without affecting other parts, and for increased security of data.